In this video, I will show you 2 ways to level fast in the early game in Poki MMO. The first method is to re-battle trainers. You can do this every 6 hours after you have beaten them the first time. You can do this in any region that you started in. You also get some nice cash to go along with it. The second method requires at least 4 to 5 gym badges depending on the region you started in. You will need the HM Surf on a Pokemon that can learn it, and also a utility Pokemon that can learn Sweet Scent. Then you put the item EXP Share on the Pokemon you want to level up. For example, I am in Kanto, so the EXP Share is only available after catching 50 Pokemon, and then talking to the professor's Aide on the right side of Fuchsia City upstairs. Otherwise, you have to buy it from the global trade link, which will vary in price. Then you can also buy any cheap Pokemon with area of effect attacks such as Earthquake, Discharge, or Incinerate. If not, then you have to buy one from the global trade link. In this case, I will buy a cheap Pokemon with Discharge. Also make sure to set the max level to your own obedience level. Otherwise, you won't be able to use them. Just make sure the Pokemon has high special attack for Discharge and high physical attack for Earthquake. I will be buying the cheapest Electivire I can find. Next, you want to hoard farm using Sweet Scent in the best location in that region. Now, the fastest location is just right outside the Pokemon Center in Vermilion City for the Kanto region. You go outside, surf on it, then use Sweet Scent. It will attract a horde of Pokemon. You can then use Discharge to kill all 5 Pokemon, getting good XP. If you don't have a Sweet Scent Pokemon, there are many cheap ones on the global trade link that you can buy. Since it is close to the Pokemon Center, you can heal up and redo this over and over again. If you want to do it even faster, having a teleport Pokemon will speed up the process as well. That is pretty much it. Have fun leveling.